sir. Hi, big stretch. Hi, how are you? Did you sleep well? Ready to get up? Yeah, you're beautiful, man. You're the best. Very blessed that you're here. Yeah. Okay, let's get you some food. Let's get you some food. Happy Sunday. I gotta open up a new bone broth for you. It's something I can't really do with two hands, so I'll just go ahead and give you medicine first. Careful. Careful. Okay, I'm just gonna give you this and then I'll have to open your broth, okay? There you go. Oh, I love you so much. You're beautiful, dude. Alright, let me get your broth.